Thinking about installing Carriage garage doors? Let's break down the costs and what affects the price. Carriage garage doors typically range from $1,000 to $10,000. The material is a big factor. Wood carriage doors offer a rustic, elegant look but come at a premium. On the other hand, steel carriage doors are more affordable and durable, making them a popular choice. If you want something unique, custom carriage doors can increase the price due to personalized designs and special features. Don't forget to budget for installation costs, which can vary based on the size and complexity of your door. Maintenance also matters. Wood doors may require regular upkeep, while steel doors are lower maintenance. For energy savings, consider doors with insulated designs. So whether you're going for a traditional or rustic look, your budget and material choice will guide your decision.